And I remember it was Easter Sunday. After going to church, my hair fell out, and I go, oh well, God, you know. And so I did the process of searching. So she put it on. I mean, I could not believe it. And I said, no way. I said, I was like this. No way. I couldn't even talk. I mean, I had tears in my eyes. It was amazing. I was like, I said, oh my gosh, what am I gonna do? First thing I did, I stopped at Marshall, because there's a Marshall. I bought hair dryers, curling iron, bar rats, all kinds of stuff for the hair. Then I went home. I was there for like about maybe 8 hours to 10 hours in front of the mirror. The microwave, oh, give me a mirror. Everybody said, is that you, Angie? And I go, that's right. I called people, all the people that worked in Florida, in Italy. Since I got here, you know, I called everybody. You know, my mother, she goes, oh my God, Angie, I'm so happy. She's 87 years old. I felt like so wonderful, so great. I cannot explain it, because you gotta go through all that, you know, which I don't wish that on people, but there is help. There is help.